Everyone needs to save for the unexpected. So this morning on Fox 43 Morning News, we're talking about emergency funds with George Nahodil, who's the acting president and CEO for Members First Credit Union. Thank you so much. Members First Federal Credit Union, excuse me. Good morning, George. What are emergency funds and why are they so important?
Well, Matt, all of us have times when, things happen. Our car might break down. You might have your water heater go out. And, it's really important to have those excess funds available when those things that happen in life, so that you're not in a situation where you're having to borrow money at high interest rates, so that you're protecting your assets, your home, your car. So it's really important to have some savings available to you.
You briefly mentioned just some examples right there. Are there other examples that maybe more people at home who are watching right now can relate to that you would hear and say, you know what, that's an emergency that you got to really tap into that emergency fund?
I mean, listen, there are times when people lose their job. There are times when people get sick and they can't work. And so it's really important to have 3 to 6 months of earnings saved in a savings account. And it's really important to have it in a separate account as well, an account that you're not going to touch, an account that you pretend like the money's not there and you really earmark it for an emergency.
So if someone doesn't have an emergency fund in place, how do they get it started?
Well, it's really important for people to have a separate account, a separate savings account where they're taking money on a weekly basis or on a paycheck. Every paycheck, they're putting some money aside. It could be as little as $20 and putting it into that savings account, and over the years it adds up.
Are we talking about a certain, almost like a 401k sort of situation where you're taking a certain amount of money out of a paycheck and making sure it goes directly into a fund?
Yeah, absolutely. You basically, make a promise to yourself that you're going to put, $25 a pay into this account and you're not going to touch it, and you watch the money accumulate. And it's there just in case those life events happen where you really need some cash.
It sounds like if people have no experience, working on a budget or the responsibility of doing this, where can people go for more information if they have additional questions?
Yeah, there's a great website. It's called ibelong.org. And you can find a credit union that's right for you. And credit unions can help you with that savings account and help you to kind of get yourself a plan, a financial plan to save for that day that you might need that cash.
All right. ibelong.org is the website. George Nahodil from Members First Federal Credit Union. And we have all of our information as well on our website, fox43.com. It's 6:52 right now, and Fox 43 Morning News is coming right back.